Heather Hughes from SunAmerica Funds back from maternity leave. Good to see you. Welcome back.
Hi, Bill. Good to see you. I missed you guys.
We missed you, too.
Thank
also
you.
with us, we've got Steve Grasso from Stuart Frankel at Post 9 here at the New York Stock Exchange, and Rick Santelli is in Chicago as well. And, Steve, I'm going to start with you. I mean, we got the Fed meeting, the announcement tomorrow. We got expiration on Friday. We got the oil move here. Is that what's all contributing to this rally in equities, or is there something else going on, do you think? You know, Heather, you were gone for 3 months. You missed a lot, but you feel like you didn't miss anything, right?
Yeah, I missed nothing, right? What are we still talking about? The Fed. Look, it's been warned, we have been warned, and it has been telegraphed that they're going to raise rates over 18 months of near zero rates in terms of interest rates. It's time for that to happen. So, Rick, I hope I can get a plus from you as well, that the path to normalization is somewhat normal, especially in our industry, in the mutual fund industry right now. Look, the retail investor, they're not billionaires. They're not the average hedge fund or Goldman Sachs where a quarter point is really going to affect them in the short term at the end of the day. Over the long run, perhaps. But right now, they're getting rates at prime +1, prime +2. So in the mutual fund industry, it really might not mean much tomorrow's quarter point, or even throw out a trial balloon of a 12 bip, an 8th increase.
Yeah, we keep hearing that rumor coming to the fore.
Contrary to popular belief, you might think the markets actually would decline if we don't see a rate increase, because everybody's expecting that to happen, and it would be a positive sign.
All right. Well, we will know tomorrow. At this point, we'll know what happened. But we got a lot of waiting to do in the meantime. By the way, Heather, congratulations to you and your hubby on the welcoming of Samantha. There she is. And
thank you so much,
3 months
Bill.
along now.
Oh, my God.
Very happy for you and your husband on that one.
We just hope her first word is QE.
She's your biggest fan. Yes, QE. QE
Yes.
forever.
Yeah, put her in front of the TV. I'll put her to sleep. No problem there.
Yes, thank you so much. She's your youngest fan. Yes, sir. Thanks, Kelly.